If you don't know the thing, don't talk about the thing.
Well, no child, but men now say, now, young my tear for Aquaba Biomra Hot 93.9 FM marching, Ejumadi Eso. We are live on Facebook, Isaac Dako Buama as well. And I'm paying no Sabi can capture your tear for SN. We will be getting closer in a coded location with a year or so for Babana Owusu Ajay. Now, Gabriel, once I'm going to make a say, oh, the Kabanosu, and also for the Kabanosu. So, what's I say? 80 minutes. Oh, one side. Gara, one side. I could draw be a woman. A software, a word of a baby. And see, about your small kind of but I was so for the offer of a jaw. And I want that's off one guy. All right. So, Sabi, I work a daily guide front page and a banner headline said NDC prophet threatens to kill EC boss Jane Mensah. Also for Kabra Jane for daily guide and you man pay. You bet the home come up. Also for Hot FM 93.9 megahertz. Yamakwaba.
Mejamoso, Michiamati, also so. I'm soon being coming.
I'm also doing council. Also for Kabra Jane and Ekasai.
But your mere mini apostle of not switching.
Oh, yeah, DC.
Minya DC.
Who join the party then?
Main joining party.
Oh, yeah, sympathize on my party then.
Main sympathizing my party. I take instructions from Elohim. The Nyamebeka Saminian and Namiya. And my instructions now is to lead the NDC to victory. And that is what I'm doing. And
that is what Elohim has instructed you, sir. Lead NDC to victory. Also for Kabadadi.
Exactly. And that is what I am doing. NDC is for year the Enyaswa. I will say it.
All right. But what threatens Selbekum, Electoral Commission chairperson, as Daily Guide has an apply one more editor front page.
Daily Guide will be an himself, Freddy Blade. Jimmy.
Oh,
can I order second response? Jimmy. Now, friends, who is CPP now call friends MPP near the chairman. Jimmy for the war. Oh, I'm a for Brea or party man who is CPP or by I am chairman because Oyakufu are done for. Oh, said Jimmy Nekoswa Ghana. Instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm build their democracy, they use it to do policies. Men can't be as a Miku Jim Mensah, easy boss. Men can't baby. What I said is this Jim Mensah, a radia being me. Number who said, oh, fat a quite be so, open all the Ghana fat quite be so. Sa now take Ghana Fasono, a de Basa Beba, a Jabeto Ghana. And I'm catch us a medium who says, Jato Ghana. Ghana for you now, baby, who say, what? And I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in there too. So, also, dear Gabiochi, that Coney Akufu, that catch us a year, and one out there. And as you will be the first to die, I saw it. And have I threatened her?
So, also for evidence, we're here, should I say, Jane Mensah, Gabia Sacha, and Akufu, and as of now, as you mentioned yesterday, that you keep reiterating. So, I'm moving up Akushiaka and said, this is what she should do, and I want.
Look, it's not news. Second is the point in the station. So, HSS Charlotte say, or Yashawuni, or the Tuna Cote power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say. Oh, it was all part of the agenda. John buy an open go for the church or let time yesterday, then no miss Charlotte say, and no darling girl, Abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, me, baby, I'm if you if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. What I say. If she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say, Jim Mensah, you are doing silly. You are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better into my pay fra. What's my did nothing? But
she can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say Electoral Commission no would be anymore. So be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make it silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No? Until this time, what they want to do is control the register and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. If you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata. You know,
this is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Me say the richest person in Ghana, the Ortega Nesika, so your friend Furiata.
Analysis ben there's some ben
Chroma Bank, Chroma Insurance, Sika business, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co, they are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out, go and take. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, you know, when I tell Jimesa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know, so I be no can say two Charlotte say no me tuna. No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader or since I election race area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So I say now agenda is now or Babisia. Ope say udi enimu now di jack to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what is going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a jack, and a Baba Ghana. So what I say, you can't allow this. We're a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Kuta Muntino, I dream Papa Bieli Muntino. Debbie Amo sorry, and I can in the pond. Or no, I am no Mamo. And then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, I come to let me tell you. Maybe see if you are so correct. So what I say, a Jimmy for to say, we didn't.
Oh no!
No! I take responsibility. I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it. I said I take responsibility for it.
He is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament. He is an idiot of a member of parliament. Oh dear Japan, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asen, Asen Central MP, who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think he is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet me snap net 2. Out of that CID boss, out of that IDP. Go and arrest this, go and arrest this, go and arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Danker's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm for lie detector test in this year. I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, here more ring. I need a lie detector test. Now you know cameras die so. You sure who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan. When Asante for no planning here, so mo Kobi ejinem amananato. Na omakoyo mo nyan komade no. Now, be who watching him. And watching him dey 1 year boy ema omo. Oh, this is May 2015. Yes. And Ochehim which is Nana to Mami, Ninia. Okoyeno, he was not accepted. And also JB Dankwebi or Tafo or filling station open another was simple. But on the Koyeno, the blood line need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa Juno, on no fee. JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Chocho Mucho, or the grand niece or something like that. Into to pay the Apega people, no? Because, like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apega, Ofrete Wuyan no Kuno, and the Kukuakunan, so what I say, say Omo, this year, and Apega for so a bomutia, some Musumuya, either. Until they had to go and pay the Apega people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible until only JB Dankwa. And so they had this JB Dankwa and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, why tape near them? Or say Kenya Japan is a sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Say a Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yana Hotel for the police for by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in.
The CID boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was yes, yeah.
No, yeah,
okay, Dampare, yeah.
No,
Greater Accra something. Yeah, anyway. Now, listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in the pond. JB Dankwa no pana yekuno, which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adie Amanie, because he's the last person. Everyone, you are not a family member. or say Nana Ado Danko Akufuado and they say Omra Meshe Asemesi was said no more money. Those were his words. And at DCOP Dampari and walk on out Sebasa a higher crime scene, a higher parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air net too and told the whole world, say police need be and a friend and a party same way they see. It told him Kabaye. Hey, can I report? Let me tell you, you are a good spin doctor, but you've picked the wrong address. My name is not Obini. My name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka. Me nana sofumame kino dina efua jebua ya na daka wo muzama. Sesi amika se. Me kana mena kene yepon. He? Enra, what you want? What's it? CID for by the Midjani here.
Yes.
Where did I run away?
Before.
Where did I run away?
Before we go.
Where did I run away?
Before we go there, sir. Because someone can't say CID for by one of the way trying CID for the BNI for national security no company I didn't run away trying let's say I was want to know if you company I did. But I am in a coded location with you as we speak. Hot 93.9 FM marching and each media. The beginning of Amanda Isaac. I'm here this morning with Awal Saeed Mohammed Nagagan Twan lady or Hidden Wakas Boahin. And I'm many on me and Sana Kwabena Wusu, Kofi Amare, and the Cephas, and DJ Kobinuso, Air Studio way back in Accra. Jamestown, a year Afro Towers. Now, yeah, so you will coded location of a you also for Kwabena J. Aiding Como. Or say Kennedy Japan should shut up.
He should shut his big, ugly, fat mouth. It stinks. Eh? Let me tell you something.
Because of the role he played in Jamie Duncan's death.
Not only the role, he is the Spain doctor in MPP. Asembiasia, no makofano, no abetrao, no. Obini Mishu is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning,
yes, good morning.
You're from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
On the arrest.
Okay.
Oh,
Don't touch me.
My friend, don't touch me.
my friend,
Don't touch me.
Anyway, hot 93.9 from March, please let us know. There are some people here.
Hey, how come? Hey,
From the
how?
security to arrest on a year, Papa, a year, Papa. Please.
Hey, no.
Please take your time, please. We are helping you.
No.
Please take your time. Oh, please,
How come?
that's happening live. Please take your time.
Hey, how come?
Please take your time. Go back. No,
Hey.
No, let us also know because we are here with you.
How come, sir?
What is happening now?
Hey, no, this one there. No. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we are happy. Let us please know.
No.
We have to know if they are really from the national security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. Pick the numbers. 5666.
Yes.
5666.
Another one.
Another car.
Also for you get the numbers. Please, yes, you got the numbers. So the national security has just picked also for the residents.
Yeah. Massa. No.
So please pick the other phone. Let us make a follow-up.
Yes.
We also have to follow up.
We have to go.
Okay, Yes, we started the program with you. Yeah. And all of a sudden, national security has just banked in to pick a year. Yeah. Your friend is saying, also for community.
Correct. That's true. I'm also a lawyer.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to go for the full course. I will follow up the national security.
Okay.
So let me, please take a step up for me.
Yes. So this is what has just happened. A year also for Cabinet Day, we were in a quadrant location with him. This is what has just happened right now. A year also for Cabinet Day. If you that national security man pointed a gun at me, trying to stop me because I have to verify as a journalist without provocation. Exactly, we have to verify and know if truly they are from the national security.
Yes.
In order not to be held responsible, and this is what has just happened.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to tell us.
In fact,
I'm Beno.
try say Rebecca show say omo ID card na warrant on the buy. In fact, bako atwintuo say yenko yechi omo yo mojuma na bebi omo de we na buy. Enti the wa asisi am.
I'm the 3 cars. 3 VIP cars.
Yen nim bebi a omo de ne ko. Omo de omo ni a kire. Me ka say here dey ni bebi omo de peni na dey. Akọ ade amanfo
asa. Wa yenko residence.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. 0544. Okay. Okay.
Hey, kwan a say na yes people na so eni kwan a mo fa so mepiem a me no ka say amanko astajere ba ha you be say ni nipa no me ko so me obi adi nkombo a no mo kan say ade o me de be kasa ade o me kasa e bi so aye wa ye hwe de bi a o mo de ne ko ye nya hu be bi a o mo de ne ko de no ka say be ko etuka na o ma ye hu be bi a e bi so mo say ko metimi a o mo say be bi a o mo de be ni ko na so ma ita say ade o me say o ma be ko ita metimi afrani lawyer almost and friend lawyer, I mean, I'm the penny. Let's come to the national security. He could again. The ID card, almost the national security, and I buy it. I mean, look at the move for her. Sandra, I'm looking at the penino, and I'm going to call. Yeah, but maybe I interview just a look at high education.
Okay, so we are live on Facebook, and where we are currently is a coded location. As we said earlier, we are not going to disclose the location to anyone because for national security reasons.
No.
You move from there. You and Mama Gaga move from the Bia Move.
Okay, okay. I saw the amount.
No.
Barbara, me no ka say the idea you feel what ye dey any direction aka ne fa ye no o ho na dey any ache sisi a ye hwe because ebusuafo na worried no mo chese omo ni mebi a omo di share na de ekọ omo ni mebi a omo di share na de ekọ nti omo so worried a omo so de e person omo nya ka na omo de fi ha na omo de ai de omo do omo ni a che mebi a ka ne ko bia ni mebi omo de ne ko so omo de ne ko hia na so omo de ne ko hia ye ade a yetime hu mebi a omo de panini e de ekọ nanso ebusuafo no so ai bobo mo se me no ka se omo tuka omo ye se senka bia na ifo no betimi na national security for betimi we na betimi mama come na meet you.
Yeah, woman, national security for everyone. I'm beside them. I'm not Kasai.
No one actually asked me anything. Obi am something. They only got the we thoughts now about also for Kabra Jakata say. Obi ababa ho no maba ka ho show no ho. So we thought So we thought that person was going to be the panel by you know. I know you the panel by joining. But it was unfortunate. 2 men, court warrant from the court. I said some mamachi a year also for Kabana AJ 80. They just banked in and arrested a year also for Kabana AJ. As we speak, Yeguso our the residence of a year also for Kabana AJ. We will not say his residence, but we will say we are in a coded location. We are in a coded location. Come on, let's go. We are in a coded location. That is where we are currently, and as we speak, you know, we have to speak to some of the residents, but some of the sir, one money, so Ebekasa and hot 93.9 of and Eddie. So I want you to be not organize Obiasi and Yadia Obetimno and Wakasana. So Omuhune see and was some day. I'm not the Panibu. I want to say, baby, as a check, no better matter. Baby, I say, Obiano, a idea amount for it, and get any idea, a cost. Now, so Momo Chester, and Yadio be ready somebody, Obekasana, Mama Chenia, a sea, and Nomuye, and Braka and buy almost see from Nomuye. Yadio be ready somebody, Obekasana. I took us some Manoka. Yeah, caught baby, I can't direction. I can't hear it. If I near has a bit of one chick when I say, baby, sir. Minoka said, yeah, it was upon so it's me a baby on audition. I walk a man, baby, I'm here. Minoka say, Guswa, yeah, Yadimika, yeah, Conti, Penny, idea being a bed. That's a great by the Abefanuka, Yen baby, I'm the sister said, O Mabefanuka, Yankas and Chop for Quahoa, they interview, or meet me and Chevy, be potty, or the penny, Minoka. V8 Baku and San and a Baku, Menu black and a Baku ash, and a Baku asha, a Befa Penini, and Senedi Candy to Gano, Yade Namana to Jada, Cast never Penino, Yedikandi Namana, the Atu Jada, Menoka say, Yagusua, if he hire, I was a phone I worried, how much as a Gabi Compa, Omun Commodiciano, and friend lawyer, and so National Security for no, I'm Penny, my one friend lawyer, Menoka say, Befa Penini, in fact, I am send me Bray Gusua, I'm here. Maybe it's me if you baby because the next way I ever said the young person or my friend I said and try if you was here you didn't actually maybe I have a young person you better be pottia some real and yeah continue if you I am console I have number yeah the kind first near baby I can't find set you better come on I said the traffic be crowd you be home until if you are your number console and yeah.
Right, I want to make that.
Metal come Cobra.
Good. Quickly, move free area Honum.
Cobra
follow up to the Diana Cano air corner.
Cobra Minuka say you area Moa.
You better get back to you guys. Now you didn't any information we are more than my I don't really know. Say now, I'm not the name back Blue Gate. I'm not the name called BN9. Police headquarters. We don't know. So yeah, move follow up. Now move to the we are getting calls here. Yes, now baby I'm one. Move through, move stopping all the interviews. I'm more here baby I'm more to move through one.
Pamela Sena Medi can idea 50 yadi near direction a car no fire no. Sebe tuomu and as a senator and 50 yadam kwanso a for direction a car no cars no fire. Mudi penino consa direction and if I say Pia ye be home and also you go say ye baby or money no quarter ye dear I maybe on the penino. All right. So Kabana,
we are following up to the National Security and Secretariat Home Office, where are the Baby House, the National Security Minister, to make inquiries and find out where actually you also for Kabana J. Wamadino Aquafa. So, what be your car? We are also law. What are your lawyer? It's to Kabana Somo.
Well, hot 93.9, 59 minutes after 8. Martin Fabio was so
congratulations, Apostle. Wait.
Also for I wish you with the Massa. I say, I shall watch me. Wish you with Nana. I told her is a because the way they do this but what do you have in here? Super bottom. Oh, yeah.
Rob, why do you can't bring a sheet or Robbie? Brown will be a good.